Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Dremel 8240512V Cordless Rotary Tool Kit, a compact, portable, and powerful tool designed for maximum performance with its 12-volt, 2Ah lithium-ion battery that offers high power and runtime across all speeds from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM. This innovative tool boasts a sleek and ergonomic design with a 360-degree grip zone, ensuring comfort and control for extended working sessions, making it perfect for a wide range of applications like cutting, sanding, grinding, and sharpening. Fully compatible with all Dremel accessories and attachments, it features the patented Easy Twist nose cap for quick and easy accessory changes without the need for a wrench, allowing you to switch tasks seamlessly. The advanced technology ensures maximum runtime and optimal battery life, while the LED battery life indicator keeps you informed about when a recharge is needed. Designed with noise control in mind, the ventilation openings allow for smooth, cool, and quiet operation, enhancing your work experience. The kit includes the Dremel 12V 8240 cordless rotary tool and 5 rotary accessories, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.